In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear shocks on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta Wagon. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. In the back, we're going to pull this cover up. And then there's a cover underneath here. You want to pull that up as well. And you want to find the tool kit that comes with your vehicle for the spare tire. And you're looking for this hook or a hook that looks very similar to that. Grab that. I'm going to take the caps off, use the tool, just go in the center, pull the cap off. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Grab the wheel, pull it off. Underneath the lower control arm, I'm just going to raise up on the suspension. Just take a little tension off the shock. You can also try to line the bolt up where it's going to be between the springs so it's easiest to remove. Right there looks good. I'm going to use a 21mm wrench and loosen up the bolt. Pull that bolt out. Now we're going to take the two bolts out where the mount is. Use a 16mm socket. Take these out. And I'm just going to support the shock when I take this one out. Grab the shock, and it comes right out. We're going to pop this cap off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get under there, pop that off. You can access the nut. Now, at the mount, we're just going to take a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath the bumper. Just pry that down. We can access the top part of the shaft. Use some locking pliers. As high as possible. Lock those on. Using a 16mm socket, we're going to take this nut off. Pull that nut off. Take the mount off. Take the pliers off. Slide the bumper off and the shield. I'm going to take the bumper and the sleeve. Slide it over the new shock. Take the mount. Slide it over the center shaft, get the new nut, get that started. I'll just take the locking pliers, just as close to the top as possible. Just lock it down, and we'll tighten down the nut. Just snug this down. And I torque this to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Remove the pliers. Now push the bumper into the mount. That's good. Take the cap, line that up, lock it down. Take the shock, get it lined up. You want to use new bolts. Get these started. Get that one on. Snug these up. And you want to torque these bolts to 37 foot-pounds. And then you're going to go an additional 90 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle meter, do the best you can. Same on this one. 37 and 90 degrees. That's good. Now with the pull jack, I'm just going to lower this down just to get it to line up with the shock. Make it a little easier. And put the bolt in. Get the bolt started. Snug that down. It's kind of hard to get a torque wrench in there. Do the best you can, but you want to torque this bolt to 133 foot-pounds. I'm just going to tighten it up with a wrench. Get it as close as possible. And lower the pull jack. Take the wheel, get that lined up. Line it up with the holes. Take one of the lug bolts, get that started. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. That's good. Take the caps, get those lined up, and push those in place. After you're done, you want to put the hook back, go back to your spare tire, find the toolkit, and install it in the toolkit.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.